Are you looking for something that can make your photography a lot easier and perhaps bring objects closer in? Then I have got a great tool for you. This is the Meike, see here, macro extension tube set. And it's really good because these are designed to enable you to use on your existing camera and focus and get closer to your object than a normal minimum focus setting. And that is really good. This is something that I use when I photograph gemstones. So the one I've got has got 3 different lenses. Here's one here. The other 2 I have actually popped into my camera, and you can sort of see them here. Now, this is designed to use with Canon cameras, which is what I've got, and also for Nikon cameras. If you're interested in getting some for yourself, check out the link below. It's definitely a lot less expensive than going and buying new lenses specific for what you're wanting.